Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jade and you're currently with me in Shades of Jade. Today I'm going to be doing the first video of my Birthstone Gemstone series. If you haven't seen my previous video, which is explaining the series, stop and go watch that now. That's going to very briefly explain what I'm going to be doing and how I'm going to be doing it. So the first video of this series is going to be Pink Tourmaline, which is in the month of October. So this is what Pink Tourmaline looks like. So if I just scroll through. If you want to see how I created this look, and please keep watching until the absolute very end, because I'm going to talk about the meaning of Pink Tourmaline at the end of this video. I overtoned my hair, so if it looks a bit purpley in some places, that will be why. Cleaned and moisturized my skin. I'm going to prime it now. Today's primer of choice is the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Base in the colour Radiant Yellow. Pop 2 pumps of that on my hand and just massage it in. Let's move on to foundation. The Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation in the colour 1N1 Ivory Nude. And I'm going to pop some on the back of my hand. And I'm going to be using my beauty blender. And I'm just going to be taking some off the back of my hand. And I'm just going to press that into the skin. We should go with some concealer. The MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in, I'm pretty sure this is in NC15. The little stickers come off. So I'm just popping a squirt or two of that on the back of my hand. And I'm going to use the tip of the beauty blender this time. And I'm going to go under my eyes. This is the MAC Studio Careblend in the colour Light. I like to use a Morphe E8 brush with that just under the eye, and I just press that under there. Before setting anything else in my face, I'm just going to very quickly cream highlight Zoeava Strobe Gel in the colour Halo. Again, I'm just going to use the beauty blender with it. So as you can see, I've dipped the beauty blender in there, and now I'm just going to press it along with the high points of my cheek. A quick tip of mine to set cream highlighters, set it with a highlighter before you go in with your powder. The highlighter I'm going to use is an old favourite of mine. I actually bought it in Melbourne a couple years ago. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the colour Opal. And the brush that I'm going to use that with is another one of my new favourites. This is a Morphe M5104. And all I do is just swirl it in there. And I just simply very lightly dust over top of it. So I'm going to set the rest of my face with the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, and I'm just going to tap some of that into the lid. The brush that I'm going to use that with is the Morphe E41, and I'm just going to stamp that into my skin. So first of all, I'm going to use a brow gel. Is the L'Oreal Brow Artist in the Plumper. So it's just clear. I am going to brush my brows into place where I would want them to sit. So I'm going to use a brow pomade today. This is the Chi brow pomade in Dawn. The brush that I'm going to use it with is the Napoleon Perdis Angle brush in G5. So I'm just going to set my brows now with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. So I think we should bronze and contour. I'm going to be using the MAC Refined Golden with the Morphe R2 brush. And now I'm just going to bronze. I'm going to use one of my classic contouring kits. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in light to medium. And I'm going to take the middle shade with the Morphe R10 brush. And just try and look straight ahead and look for the hollows of your cheeks. Blush today is going to be by Tarte. This is the Blush Bazaar Amazonian Clay Blush Palette. So I'm going to take the colour called Angelic. I'm going to use a bit more of a flimsy brush. This is the Morphe M530. And I'm just going to keep it on like the backs of my cheeks today. I'm going to clean up under my brows with the Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the colour Chantilly. And I'm going to clean it up with a flat brush. This is a Morphe M432. And I'm going to go under my brow. Primer of choice today is the Painterly Pro Longwear Paint Pot by MAC. I'm going to use my finger. So I'm going to go in with the Natasha Denona palette. I'm going to go into the colour called Vega with the Morphe 504. And I'm going to fluff that all over the crease. I'm going to go into the Natasha Denona palette again. The colour I'm going to choose is Electra with a Morphe R37 brush. And I'm going to take that through the outer corner in the lower part of the crease. One Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to stick with the R37 and I'm going to go in with the colour called Love Letter. Outer corner and the crease again. Natasha Denona palette, and I'm going to go into the colour called Phoenix, R37 brush, and outer corner. Back into the Renaissance palette, I'm going to dip into the colour called Venetian Red with a Morphe M433 brush. Concentrate this on this outer part here by pressing it in. Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. So I'm going to use the colour called Soda Hot, and I want to take that on a Morphe E17 brush very slightly on this outer corner part here. Right, back in with that Nars concealer and the M432, we're going to make a cut crease. Okay, so with the Natasha Denona palette, I'm going to go into this top shade here. And I think she's called Galaxia. This is the Jessup 234 Luxe flat brush. And I'm going to go straight over that cut crease. And I'm going to do eyeliner and then do the bottom. I'm going to dip into that Love Letter on the M433 and run it under my eye. So I'm going to go in with Sunset Cove. This is a Stila Magnificent Metals. And I'm actually going to pop her on the inner corner in the lower lash line. The mascara I'm going to use is the Lash Paradise. This is the Australian version, so it's got a static on it. And I'm going to comb that through my lashes. Okay, so I'm so glad you stayed tuned till the very end of the video. I'm just going to quickly run you through what pink tourmaline is. Pink tourmaline may vary in colour from pale pink to deep red, and in clarity from flawless transparent gems to opaque rough crystals, and yet all are devoted to serving the highest aspects of the heart. A primary stone of the heart chakra, pink tourmaline links to the crown chakra, infusing love and spirituality, encouraging compassion and gentleness during periods of growth and changes as humanity works towards enlightenment. If you like my videos and you want to see more from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. I post on YouTube 1 to 2 times a week. I'm hoping to be a little bit more frequent. I haven't chosen any days yet. I'm just going to see what's going to work with me for now. But I do post 1 to 2 times every single week no matter what. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe. If you want to follow me on any of my other social media platforms, Shades of Jayde has an Instagram and a Facebook. All you have to do is search Shades of Jayde on Instagram and Shades of Jayde AU on Facebook, and you'll see me pop up there with my black logo. But yeah, don't forget to leave a like and a comment just so I can see whether or not you actually like the series. I am going to do a few more and see how they go, but I'm really excited. I'm going to try and get some more educational videos up as well, so don't be afraid to let me know what you want to see. Alright, beauties. Mwah. I love you and have an amazing day. Bye!